Hi class, Mike Reich here. I am doing my final lesson plan in subject area social studies, in particular geography, and more specifically New England, the northeast of the United States. Um, I did my first lesson in high school, grade level. I did my second lesson in math in first grade. So I decided to do middle school for this final lesson. So what I'm going to focus on is the four different ways that students can complete the assignment that I give to them. So basically the idea is to identify as much within New England as possible. So if one student's ability only allows them to just identify the area and they're not too sure of the specific states within the region, they could simply fill in the area of New England, and here's an example of what that would look like. So you can see they colored in New England in blue on the map. So again, that would be for a student with the ability who was able to identify where New England is, but still needs a little bit more work as to what the specific states are. So here's a different one where students would be able to identify the individual states and color in the individual states in New England, but again, they don't have the expertise yet as to the names of those particular states. So this student, rather than color in one color, identified each individual state by a different color. And third, this student is able to identify the states by name in New England. So they wrote in each state's specific name in the area that it should be. And then lastly, a student with a lot of expertise in the New England area would be able to identify the capital cities within the states. And here's an example of that. They would identify the capital city and also identify the name of the states in New England. So as you can see, various ways to complete the assignment. Nothing right or wrong, just making sure that students are able to identify the area of New England based upon their unique capabilities.